Hello, friend. Here we are again, and we are in the channel of concentration, the 52-9. This is the design of determination. Oops. As you can see here again, we are moving from the root up to the sacral center. So the root is our drive, it's our stamina, it's our stress, it's our adrenal glands. And this particular channel, the channel of concentration, is moving us up into the sacral, or the life force energy, the energy resource, this vital energy that we have. This is a logical progression. It's really focused in one step at a time, one step at a time. And the concentration here is details. Logic is absolutely detail-oriented. Hence the reason logic goes about and says, we are going to perfect and master this particular pattern. It's a pattern. You're going to notice patterns. If you have this channel defined in your body graph, it is patterns and patterns and patterns. The 52 is the still mountain, that concentration. And what it is doing is saying, okay, we have fuel to concentrate on the detail, that focused detail. So it is the fuel to focus. Now, I shared in one of my other videos, this particular channel thrives on meat. And sorry, vegetarians or vegans, at this point, what you're noticing is more vegetarianism, more veganism, because of the way our planet, our people, are really raising our animals. The mammalian agreement that we currently have with mammals to bring them, confine them, and eat them is coming to an end. It is coming to an end in 2027. Now, of course, whenever we have a shift in energy, there's going to be some, energy that is switching over time. It doesn't like 2027 happens and poof, this takes place. It happens prior to and a little bit after that you're going to notice this massive shift. But animal meat is fowl and it is fish as well. It's not just red meat. But in order for your particular body, if you have the 52-9, meat, protein, helps you focus. Now, again, I would love to hear the experiment of anyone that has this channel and is either a vegan or a vegetarian. But animal protein will help you focus. It will help you concentrate. What happens here as well is there's this depression that can happen anytime we have a format channel. So the 53-2, the 63, or the 52-9 that we're speaking about today, there's always this depression that can take place. Because the drive and stamina wants to build. It wants to, it's moving, that energy is moving up, that fuel's moving up. There's a pressure here to concentrate, but there's a fuel to focus. So we can nourish our physical body, feed our physical body the correct nourishment for it, then it can sit in that inaction. That's what the 52 is. It's inaction. So that the 9 can come along, and it's that detail-oriented focus, so that it can come to an understanding. Logic, it is about formalization. It is about details. It is about organizing. It is about perfecting. It is about mastery. And it does this really from a place of loving the vital energy of humanity. I have the 9. So if you notice in a lot of my video content, I will say, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. That's what it's about on the logical side, is paying attention. And what do we get to do in this frequency that is coming through our meat suit? We get to witness, and witness really is a little bit of paying attention. We want to witness ourselves. We want to pay attention to how is our physical body interacting with other people. Now again, with this channel here, we are creating a type. We are creating an aura. 52-9 is the drive and stamina, the root, and the energy resource and the sacral center. Those 2 centers create a builder, or a manifesting generator, or a generator, which means you're here to respond. You will know what you should be concentrating on based off of response. And then you can just allow for that inaction to be a time and a place where you can focus in on the details, hone and master your skill, so that depression does not have to take over your life. But depression takes over people's lives when the not self mind is so pressured to concentrate that it doesn't know what to focus in on. So then it's all over the map. And then it goes inward, beats itself up, gets angry because you're not sitting still and focusing. So it's about watching what you are responding to. Any one of these format channels is creating the strategy of wait to respond. So you're waiting. What am I built to concentrate on? What am I designed to concentrate on? The aura will tell you that. The aura will tell you, because what it will do is the physical body will respond to what's coming into your aura. Your physical body will go, that's right. I'm going to concentrate on this, or I'm going to concentrate on that. It is a temporary and self-imposed inaction, so that you can hone in on those very small details and perfect your pattern, master your craft, hone in on your craft. And you will constantly know what you have energy to focus in on and concentrate and be inactive about. Everybody thinks that just because you have the sacral energy defined in the body graph, that you have to be going, working. this is indicating there is going to be time of inaction. There's going to be time of inaction where you sit and hone in on your craft. Like I say, I have the 9. So when you start to synthesize the body graph, the format channel for me, and you don't have to have a format channel in your body graph. That's not what I'm saying. I do have a format channel, and it is the channel maturation. And the 9th trait or gate is having me focus. What am I focusing in on? What am I built or designed to pay attention to in the cycle? What am I built to focus in on? I don't have to sit in concentration. It's the cycles and the maturation process for me that brings an awareness to the details that I need to focus in on. If you love all the content that you're getting here, please like, subscribe, and share. Help me get everyone to a place of healthy, happy, enjoyable decision making for themselves. All right, have a great day. Thank you.